Squire have been lock makers here since 1780, and today, by investing in the right equipment, they are making twice the amount of parts faster than ever before. Let's find out how.
Henry Squire and Sons started in 1780 making padlocks and cabinet locks. Nearly 250 years later, we're here in Featherstone in our brand new facility making high security padlocks. Previously we did this on single pallet machines that were giving us issues with capacity and cost. Today we've invested in a range of new Dugard twin pallet machines. When you come across twin pallet machines in the industry, they tend to be horizontals, which are far more expensive than a vertical in any case. For the price of a horizontal, generally we can get two twin pallet machines on the ground making padlocks for us.
This is the first machine sold over 20 years ago from Dugard to Henry Squire, so they must be doing something right.
With the long relationship we have with Dugard, we have access to their support and service team. We major on padlock design. We're not essentially machine or CNC experts, so when we need that additional help, we turn to the experts.
These machines have doubled this company's output, but what goes on inside the machines that make them so efficient?
We looked at cycle times for our products on various machines, and what excited us about the Dugard machine was the unique Z-axis that rises up at the same speed and time as the head comes down. That in turn doubles the Z-axis rapid speed and gives us a better cycle time, which results in more padlocks per day. The Dugard APC has a whopping 40 station tool turret, and that helps us a great deal because we can cut down the tool changes and the time that the guys spend stripping the machines down, keeping that spindle running as often as possible. We're in a brand new facility, but that doesn't mean that we've got acres of space to play with. The relatively small footprint of the machine allows us to move them around quite easily and change to the needs of the business every day. So by the end of 2022, we'll have 6 twin pallet machines that will help us manufacture our padlocks and bicycle locks. We have to keep those spindles running, and the twin pallet is the answer to that.